The Deutz F4L912 marine diesel engine, a powerhouse of engineering. Today we visualize the critical mechanics of its lubrication system. As the engine activates, it becomes semi-transparent, revealing the internal galleries. Glowing golden oil begins its journey from the precision-engineered pump. The oil circulates through the crankshaft and camshaft, reaching the rocker arms to ensure smooth operation and steady pressure. However, system failures can be catastrophic. Internal gear wear in the pump leads to a visible drop in flow rate and pressure. Clogged filters and low oil levels introduce air bubbles, causing surging and leaving critical components unprotected. When oil viscosity fails, leakage occurs at the bearings, causing the pressure gauge to plummet and risking engine seizure. Proper maintenance ensures the Deutz F4L912 continues to deliver reliable marine power. Precision engineering for the most demanding environments.